Hello and welcome to this video where I will show you how to use the Walk-Forward Algo Trading tool for the Think or Swim platform. This tool is a game changer for traders who want to optimize their strategies and get real-time results. It uses a powerful technique called walk-forward testing, which is one of the best ways to avoid curve fitting and ensure robustness of your trading system. So what is walk-forward testing and how does it work? Well, walk-forward testing is a process of dividing your data into several segments, called training and validation sets. For each segment, you optimize your strategy parameters on the training set, and then apply them to the validation set, which is unseen data. The validation set results are then combined to form an equity curve that represents how your strategy would perform in live trading. The Walk-Forward Algo Trading tool does this process automatically and continuously, giving you updated results every time a new segment is completed. It also performs backtesting and forward testing, which are two other methods of evaluating your strategy performance on historical and live data respectively. The tool also provides you with various biometric measurements, such as profitability, win rate, break-even win rate, profit and loss, Sharpe ratio, and risk-to-reward ratio. These metrics help you to assess the quality and reliability of your strategy and make informed decisions. The tool uses the Williams fractal indicator as the main signal generator for your strategy. This indicator identifies fractals, which are patterns of two consecutive bars that show a reversal point in the market. The tool produces long or short trade execution entries following each fractal formation and displays them as up or down arrows on the chart. You can also use a secondary custom indicator to filter out some of the arrows that are not valid according to the criteria. The invalid arrows are then marked with purple color and ignored in the testing process. If a valid arrow does not meet the purchase price, it changes its color to magenta and is ignored in subsequent testing. The tool also monitors the strategy performance for false positives and negatives, which are trades that are incorrectly classified as winners or losers by the indicator. The tool displays these metrics next to the profitability results, so you can determine how well your indicator matches the strategy. The only parameter that you can change in the strategy is the fractal sequence count, which is the number of ascending bars preceding and descending bars following an up fractal, or vice versa for a down fractal. The default value is 2, but you can experiment with different values to see how they affect your results. One of the advantages of using this tool is that it eliminates repainting when executing a trade, which is a common problem with many indicators that change their values after they are plotted on the chart. Repainting can lead to false signals and inaccurate results. The Walk-Forward Algo Trading tool avoids this issue by using only confirmed fractals and strategies that do not change when executing a trade. However, there is still a potential error that can occur when both the limit and stop prices are met during the same bar. This can happen when there is high volatility or large price movements in the market. In this case, the tool cannot determine which price was hit first and may overestimate or underestimate your profit or loss. To account for this uncertainty, the tool reports a plus or minus tolerance for the profitability value. Next to each arrow on the chart is a label that shows key information for executing each trade, such as long or short entry type, entry price, share quantity, limit value in ticks and stop value in ticks. You can also see additional information such as profitability, profit/loss, risk-to-reward ratio, win rate and Sharpe ratio. The tool also gives you a 1-bar advance warning of a possible trade execution by showing a cyan arrow on the chart. However, this arrow is subject to repainting and may change or disappear before it is confirmed and the trade is executed. Therefore, it is recommended that you wait until 10 to 15 seconds before the bar closes to ensure a favorable execution. You can use the Werner-Tools.com candle bar timer to help you with this. The entry price of each trade is determined by the close price of the previous bar. The share quantity can be manually entered or automatically calculated by enabling the position sizing option. The limit price can be set manually by adjusting the fixed limit setting, the risk-to-reward ratio setting, or using a pivot point resistance value for long trades or support value for short trades. The pivot point option is available when the fixed limit and risk-to-reward ratio are set to 0. The tool offers 5 types of pivot points: DeMark, Floor, Fibonacci, Camarilla, and Woody's. The default type is Floor. The stop price can be set manually by adjusting the fixed stop setting, the risk-to-reward ratio setting, or using a pivot point support value for long trades or resistance value for short trades. The tool offers 5 types of pivot points: DeMark, Floor, Fibonacci, Camarilla, and Woody's. The default type is Floor. The buy price is displayed on the screen as a thick cyan horizontal line with an up or down arrow attached to it. The limit line is a thick green line positioned above the buy price line for long trades and below the buy price line for short trades. The stop line is a thick red line positioned below the buy price line for long trades and above the buy price line for short trades. The pivot point line is a long dashed line that connects each trade entry. The resistance levels are thin lines above the pivot point line for long trades and below the pivot point line for short trades. The support levels are thin lines below the pivot point line for long trades and above the pivot point line for short trades. These lines help you to visualize the potential targets and risks of each trade and adjust them according to your preferences. As you can see, the Walk-Forward Algo Trading tool is a very powerful and versatile tool that can help you to optimize your trading strategy and get real-time results. It uses advanced techniques such as walk-forward testing, back testing, forward testing, biometric measurements, fractal indicators, custom filters, price adjustments, strategy performance monitoring, trade execution information, advance warning signals, position sizing, limit and stop settings, and pivot points. By using this tool, you can improve your trading performance and achieve better results in live trading. To learn more about this tool or get access to it, please visit werner-tools.com. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it useful. Please like and subscribe if you found it useful, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback.